Immaculate waterfront cabin in the gated community of Boyd, no expenses were spared. Dock and lake access with your own beachfront. Unobstructed lake views and tons of glass to enjoy the beauty inside and out. You are greeted by a large mudroom and main floor laundry/powder room as you enter this country-style oasis. Master suite is located on main floor as well. Cathedral ceilings and the view of Sturgeon in the kitchen/living room will make your jaw drop. Beautiful granite and cabinetry in the kitchen complements the top-of-the-line JennAire appliances, countertop gas 5-burner, built-in oven, built-in microwave, large fridge and freezer, garbage compactor, dishwasher, and 2-drawer fridge in the Eat At island. Central air will help keep you cool after a long day on the lake. Upstairs you will find the